What's up, everybody? Welcome to the life cycle of a trade, the series where we break down the thought process behind trade entry, trade adjustments, and closing order. In this video, we are going to cover a call diagonal. All right, so we're looking at a stock that has not participated in the upside here. We're looking at Google. It's down to 175 here. It's sold off here from the mid 180s. It's been chopping around this range. I guess it's kind of bounced off the lows, but it's certainly not at highs like the rest of the Mag 7 stocks have moved with, like Apple, Tesla, Amazon, all those stocks, kind of Nvidia, all those stocks pretty much near highs. So in Google, I'm going to look to play the upside a little bit here. I'm going to look for a call diagonal spread. So typically for a call diagonal spread, you want to see volatility that's relatively the same across the chain. If not, you'll have a difference in your Vega exposure. Here you can see volatility is relatively the same, especially when you look at January and December, both at 26.5% here. So you're not missing out on any volatility by going further out into the January expiration. For these trades, this 58, 30-day kind of time frame is pretty much a perfect setup. If you're looking to do these a little bit longer duration, you can certainly do these for like an earnings or a short duration trade too. This is more of a longer term trade here. When I set these up, I like to go to around the 40 delta for the long option. So I'm buying a 40 delta option here in January. The 180 strike kind of lines up perfectly there. In December, the shorter duration, I like to sell around a 20 delta. So for me, you could go to the 187.5 if you wanted to, the 185 if you wanted to do a little bit less risk. I think I'm going to go to the 185 just to flatten this delta out to get it more towards 20. So for me, I want to set these up with around 20 long or short delta if you do this to the downside. If I went to the 187.5, I'd have a little bit more delta than that. So I'm just going to defer to the 185 here. Do this as a $5 wide call diagonal spread. We're paying $3.45 for this trade or around that, which means that the value of this position at its minimum, if we get a huge move to the upside, is going to be $5. And we can see that in this Theo P&L. You could see our profit potential pretty much caps out at $2.30, 40, 50 cents here. And that's because this spread intrinsically can go to $5 plus whatever extrinsic value is left in this long option. So this is a really cheap way to get some long delta exposure with basically flat theta. You can see our theta value is essentially zero here to start. And that's because you're selling that shorter duration option, which is going to go to zero faster than the January expiration long option. So cheap way to get 18, 19 deltas. I mean, when you think of that compared to the stock, just buying shares outright, that's $2,000 or $3,000 of exposure to the shares with only 300 and change dollars here in debit to hold that position. So we're going to go ahead and put this one on 345 debit. We'll see if we get filled here. 346, we gave up that penny. Nice little entry point for us, but stick around because we're definitely going to have to manage this trade moving forward. We got that coming up shortly. Closing order coming up here in Google. Google trading up almost $10 here at the high of the session, just a couple minutes after the open here. We put this trade on the 20th. The stock was trading at 175, as you can see in the market snapshots here. 175 was basically the top tick of the last 2 or 3 weeks. We put that trade on, the stock immediately dropped to 165, down $10 and change from our initial entry point. It was probably the worst timed trade that I've done in quite some time. So we're getting bailed out today. You had some news overnight with the quantum computing that Google is working on here. The stock is up $10 in the start of the session today. This trade is a take your money and run trade. So we're going to route an order to close out of this position. So we are nicely profitable here, $200 and change. We're going to sell out of the 180 strike in January. We're going to buy back that 185 call. We're going to do this at a $5.83 credit or somewhere around that. Mark us at a nice little profit. We'll start at 180 at 585 and we'll work our order from there. No fill there. 583. There we go. We get filled at 583 on that call diagonal spread, $237 profit. About as good as it gets. News-driven rally here in Google, which was perfect. So nice little trade call diagonal spread worked out nicely.